A for Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam was an Indian scientist and the 11th President of India. He was known as the Missile Man of India. B for Barack Obama. Barack Obama was the first African American President of USA. C for Charlie Chaplin. Charlie Chaplin was a legendary English comedian, filmmaker and composer known for his silent film performances. D for Diana. Diana was a kind-hearted princess of United Kingdom. E for Elizabeth II. She was the Queen of United Kingdom for over 70 years. F for Florence Nightingale. She was a nurse born in Italy and she known as the Lady with the Lamp. She was founder of modern nursing. G for Gandhi. Gandhi led India's freedom struggle with peace and non-violence. H for Helen Keller. She was a deaf-blind American author and activist. She became a symbol of courage and the power of education. I for Indira Gandhi. She was the first woman Prime Minister of India. J for John A. Goodall. John A. Goodall was an animal scientist from United Kingdom and she was known as chimpanzee's friend. K for Kalpana Chawla. She was the first woman of Indian origin in space. L for Leonardo da Vinci. He was the greatest artist of Italy. He was an artist, scientist and inventor of the painting Mona Lisa. M for Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. fought for equal rights in the USA with peaceful marches. N for Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela fought against racism in South Africa. O for Otto von Bismarck. Otto von Bismarck, a smart German leader who united many small states into one country. P for Pelé. Pelé was a Brazilian football player. He won 3 FIFA World Cups. Q for Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutbuddin Aibak was the founder of slave dynasty in India and he laid the foundation of Muslim rule in North India. R for Rani Lakshmibai, a brave Indian queen who fought against the British. S for Subhash Chandra Bose, an Indian freedom fighter who formed the Indian National Army. T for Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison was a famous American inventor known for developing the electric light bulb. U for Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt is a Jamaican sprinter widely known as the fastest man in the world. He won 8 Olympic gold medals. V for Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel, known as the Iron Man of India, he united all Indian states. W for Wright brothers. The Wright brothers, Orville Wright, Wilbur Wright, were American aviation pioneers. They invented the first aeroplane in 1903. X for Xerxes. He was a king of Persian Empire known for his massive invasion of Greece. Y for Yuri Gagarin. He was a Soviet cosmonaut and the first human to travel in the space. Z for Zaha Hadid. Zaha Hadid was a Iraq British architect known for her futuristic and innovative designs. Thank you. Goodbye, Tinies.